Welcome back to my brand new video. Today we're playing Tower of Hell. Today we're gonna try that max one is 500. And that there it goes. Mix of baby towers. To make up the video, the best who brings the most time to let my new stage. Always. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. I'm on here now. You can try now. The best score. You get the most. I made a max one. Max one makes my video end. To make my own new video, how to bring my David Duck Gamer brand new video today. That was good. We're making more. I got another stage. More stages for me. That's why my video can be recording one to make my video. Start with me. Leave it to me. And mix it. When I finish, when I got a max stages, and one of the least one to let the video, the measure is done. The video ends. If you stop this after stages, we'll make 10 minutes. Oh no! I got a big jump. Yep. Yes! You did it. You did a great job. Choose the video competition. A competition is making me one. And then run David Gamer to make this greatest man is the proest man ever to let me up. David Oh no, he dies! Wait, look, he's alive! We did it! He did it! She's a jellyfish! The shark turned! It made her turn out the jellyfish! He's not a jellyfish anymore. He wasn't a jellyfish anymore. Quick, go! You gotta make a win. Make it. David the Gamer. Almost trying to make it. And then makes a one of the least votes. One of the end votes to make me off. And you can beat. Oh yeah, we never stage this video. Okay, VTubers, let's do this every day. Yeah, so basically in orbiting or almost when you make a video and you just trying to win. Oh yeah, we gotta do it. Here I go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, cuckoo. Made something makes me happy. This video is gonna stay me on. Make stage 16. Oh no! Oh no! I died! Why this Gilbert? Why you made me stop? No. I need to go 6 lines. In this video, we can make the finger 6 lines. Okay, but I'm very fat. I'm very fat. I'm the fattest person. Yummy. It tastes delicious. I got 8 speed jumps. Yeah. Oh, $12. Make my video. Yummy. Yeah. It's delicious. Yep. The video ends. I think so. The end is during. The stream makes me happy. Okay. Coming through on Momo. Oh yeah. You're gonna go jellyfish. Make me happy. Oh yeah. To make me big. Okay. We gotta find something else. We gotta put down. We gotta let down. Before it's over, we gotta record to let me come in this video. Make this episode come out. When the episode comes out, I'll wait and see who's gonna win. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Press this button all right here. Tap that button. Please subscribe to right here. Bye guys. Swap. Swap. Yeah.